Let's look at this problem. The line joining center of the ellipse and directrix point intersects the ellipse at point P. Find the angle between the tangent at P and the line QS, where S is the corresponding focus for which the directrix is considered. So let's say I'll consider the ellipse like this. So if I draw this, so this directrix will consider. So this is the corresponding focus and this is the center, and this line is meeting, there is a point Q on the directrix. So if I join CQ, so it intersects the ellipse at P. So what we want is angle between the tangent at P and the line SQ. So this angle we want. So let's say theta is angle. So we want to find that. So if I want to find that, so what we do is first we'll consider ellipse equation. So ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So I'll consider a parametric point P. So it is a cos phi b sin phi, the parametric point, because here we are considering theta, so we'll consider a cos phi b sin phi. So the center of the ellipse is 0, 0. So equation of directrix will be, equation of directrix is x equal to a by e, because we are considering to the right side, so x equal to a by e. So the point Q is of the form a by e comma some t, because we don't know the y coordinate, right? So we'll consider a by e comma t. So CPQ are collinear. CPQ are collinear. So slope of CP is equal to slope of CQ. C is 0, 0. P is a cos phi b sin phi. Q is a by e comma t. So b sin phi minus 0 by a cos phi minus 0 is equal to t minus 0 by a by e minus 0. So this is b sin phi by a cos phi is equal to te by a. So t is equal to a will get cancelled, so b by e tan phi. So Q point is a by e comma b by e tan phi. So S is known, so S is a e comma 0. So Q is a by e comma b by e tan phi. So slope of SQ is equal to b by e tan phi minus 0 by a by e minus ae. So this is b tan phi by e by a minus ae square by e. So e will get cancelled. B tan phi by a into 1 minus e square. So again b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square for the ellipse. So 1 minus e square is equal to b square by a square. So if I substitute it here, b tan phi by a into b square by a square, so which is a by b tan phi. So again we want slope of tangent. So slope of tangent at P. So P is a cos phi b sin phi. So if I want slope of tangents, so we have to directly differentiate it or consider equation of tangent as 1 equal to 0. So whatever we can use. So equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So if I differentiate it with respect to x, 2x by a square plus 2y into dy by dx by b square is equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to minus b square x by a square y. So at point P we want to calculate slope. So dy by dx is equal to minus b square into what is x? X is a cos phi by a square into b sin phi. So this is minus b by a cot phi. So the slope of SQ is m1. So m1 is equal to a by b tan phi. Slope of SP, slope of tangent at P. Slope of tangent at P is equal to minus b by a cot phi. So if I call this as m2. So if I multiply m1 into m2, that is a by b tan phi into minus b by a cot phi. So which is a will get cancelled, b will get cancelled, tan phi into cot phi is 1. So m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. It means the lines SQ and the tangent at P are inclined at an angle of 90 degrees to each other. So the angle between the lines is 90 degrees.